So the question here is GATE CS 2013, question number 40, that was from compiler design. The question is, what is the maximum number of reduce moves that can be taken by a bottom-up parser for a grammar with no epsilon in unit production, that is of type A derives epsilon and A derives A, to parse a string with n tokens. So guys, this is very conceptual question. Just observe few things in the question, right? First thing is that we need to answer maximum number of reduce moves. Second thing you need to keep in your mind is by bottom up parser and there is no epsilon moves. So A derives epsilon, it shouldn't be there, and A derives A, such like that unit production rules also should not be there, right? These few things you need to keep in mind. Now observe one thing. For example, I have a grammar A derives BC, B derives, for example, double B, and C derives double C. Why I take that? Because I can't take unit production rules as well as I can't take epsilon move, epsilon production rule, right? So I take B derives double B and C derives double C. Now just for a purpose of generalization, suppose my string is double B double C, okay? Now we need to answer in terms of bottom-up parsers. So we need to also keep in our mind that maximum number of reduce moves we want. What it means? It means that at every state, we should only make one reduce move. Only we will reduce one move at each step. So this would be reduced by C, right? So my string that remain is B double B and this is capital C. So this is reduction 1. After that, what I will do, this double B can be reduced by capital B. So now I have BC. It is my reduced 2, and in reduction step 3, this BC can be reduced with this capital M. So I got my initial code, right? So in three reduction move, I reduced it. What I reduced? I reduced 4 string characters by 3 reduce moves. So I can say that in n-1, n-1 would be the maximum number of reduce moves that can be taken by a bottom-up parser for grammar with no epsilon and unit production. So option B is the correct answer, guys, right? Because we need to keep certain rules in our mind which is given in the question, and then we can do such like that. I hope it is clear to everyone. Thank you so much.